didn't misread the title. You can make money from Fiverr without any skill, and in this video, I will give you 3 + 1 bonus gig ideas. In other words, after watching this video, you can go immediately and create your gigs and start making money. So, let's move on to our gig ideas. The first gig is image background removal. So if you say that you don't know how to use Photoshop or any other photo editing app, don't worry because you don't need them. But first, I want to show you something. If you type image background removal on Fiverr, you can see that those sellers get so many sales, which that means even though that this thing we are doing is pretty simple, people are willing to pay for such thing. Maybe they don't know, or maybe they don't want to spend their time to erase, which is something that takes around 1 minute the most, but still there are so many people that buy these things and you can use that in your advantage. For example, let's take a look at how much money this seller made. I mean, there are sellers that got more sales or less sales, but let's go for the average. So he got 453 sales and 1 order in queues. So let's say 854 sales and with $5 $4,270 just doing this. And the reason that I'm saying just doing this because I want to show you how easy it is. So come here. If you go to remove.bg and drag your photo here, it says uploading, which it's gonna take around 1 minute, the most 2 minutes. It's up to your photo. Voila, all I did was to drag my photo here and the website did everything. And if I open the picture here, you can see that it's perfect. Like, there's nothing that he missed or something like that. It's just good. And now all you have to do is to click download, or if you want, you can edit, add some effects, maybe like some backgrounds, but that's up to you. We got what we wanted. We have a transparent background, so we are good. Basically, you just now need to click download, deliver the work to the customer, and get paid. By the way, in this video, I'm not talking about what is Fiverr or how to create gigs on Fiverr. If you want to learn about these things, I will be creating a video about Fiverr explaining everything, and it will be the video right after this one. So I don't know when you're watching this video, but if 7 days passed after publishing this video, then the other video is live. So let's come to the second gig idea. The second gig idea is drop servicing. If you're going to ask what is drop servicing, let me explain it to you. I'm assuming that we are selling on Fiverr, so I'm gonna go to another freelancing website and I'm gonna find a seller. Then I'm gonna create the same gig on Fiverr, and when someone comes to my gig and buys my gig, I'm gonna go to the other seller and buy his gig. Then the other seller is gonna do the project and give it to me. And after receiving the project, I'm gonna give the project to the customer and get paid, because I'm gonna set my gig's price higher so I can make a profit from this. If you have heard about drop shipping, you are familiar with this business model. Just in this method, instead of using physical products, we are using services. Also, there is no specific job that you must do, like graphic design or video editing. You can do whatever suits you. Just be careful with delivery times, with revisions and so on. Because if you set your revisions to 2 and the other seller has it on 1, when or if your customer uses his second revision, you won't be able to say to the other seller that you want another revision because he wasn't providing such thing, and you're basically gonna be stuck. So be careful at the beginning, and after that you're just gonna buy from someone else. Our third gig idea is to sell album covers. Album covers are something that requires design, right? So how are we gonna do this without any skill? If you go to thisartbookdoesnotexist.com, you will see a new image every time that you will refresh the page, and those images will be created by artificial intelligence, AI. So if not all, most of them can be used as album covers. And if you want, you can add some text on these photos. You can use Canva, for example. The reason I'm saying Canva is because it's free and it's easy to use. By the way, I'm not entirely sure if those photos are copyrighted or not. I mean, they are created by artificial intelligence, but I don't know, mate. And that's the only point that I can say you to be careful. Coming to our bonus idea, you can sell intros. As you can probably guess, we are gonna use templates. Whether it's on YouTube or on other platform, when people make videos, they can put intros in the beginning of their videos, which you can provide this. You can make them an intro. The site we will use is Panzoid. I'm sure most of you have heard about Panzoid before. And maybe even you used it. I mean, I did. At the time that I was making Minecraft videos. So even if I, at that time, was able to use this website, you can too. I mean, it's pretty simple to use. Basically, all you have to do is to choose an intro template, edit the text that contains in the intro, and after that, just save it and deliver it to the customer and get paid. By the way, in this video here, I tried Fiverr for 7 days using Canva as a challenge. If you want, you can watch that video too. I hope we meet there. Bye bye.